Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We are skipping straight to March because 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, I didn't take a single trade. There were a couple trades taken, but we're currently into the 2020 market crash when COVID hit, so I didn't see literally any setups. There was one setup and it worked out, but it wasn't clean, and it wasn't like I wouldn't have taken it live market. We left equal highs. We had equal highs on ES. We never even took the highs out on the or on NASDAQ. It was just not clear. It would have been clear if we took the highs out, but we did not take the highs out. So that's why I did not take it. It just wasn't worth it. So we're still currently sitting at the same as we were. February was super slow. As soon as we got into these weeks here, it just price just kind of decided to start falling. So currently we are on March 2nd, and yeah, pretty straightforward. We do have PMI today, so start off on the daily time frame and go from there. So as you guys can see, we are just selling off. This is, I believe, the 2020, I believe this is the COVID crash. Can't really remember exactly, but regardless, that don't quite matter, because either way we just trade whatever we can. We got equal lows here on ES, and then we have SMT all the way down here. Absolutely gigantic SMT. I'm very bearish still though, just because of this. We're in a daily fair value gap. And that's about it for the daily. 4-hour time frame. Not a whole lot speaking to me, to be honest. Interesting. It's actually super ugly. We inversed a 4-hour. We do have highs up here, but I don't think we'll reach up there. I think we're probably gonna just continue to the downside. We got London high here. We have London high is maybe the manipulation leg, and then New York is now the distribution. We're in this 1-hour fair value gap here. To be honest, I'd like to see London high be swept, but we don't have to take it out. I will say I'm bearish. I just want to see what market open does. Okay, so we are respecting that. Five-minute there, but it got inversed. Tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't say I'm clueless, but I don't really know where price wants to go. Disrespected this 1 hour here. As much as I want to be, no, I think we're just gonna be bearish. We have no SMT either. We have a small SMT here. Rejecting the 0.85 really nicely. I don't think it's, I don't like it. I seriously don't think this is not clean. I do not like it. I'm not gonna take it. And look at that, it works. It's the same as last video. There's like trades that look decent, or sorry, they aren't clean, but they're very like manageable to take. Or sorry, like they just aren't clean. They're not following, like, first of all, where's the higher time frame liquidity sweep? Let's go find it. Okay, I don't see one. Right, there's no SMT, no nothing. We're just in an hourly fair value gap. I dropped down to a 15-minute. Yeah, we did sweep this. We have London high above us. We are in this 15-minute fair value gap. So now I'm dropping down to a lower time frame, and this is where my problem is. No SMT, no SMT, no SMT. Coming back up, no SMT. The only SMT was this tiny little candle here. So I mean, it does work, I guess, but it's just not conviction. No, I don't think so. I wouldn't take that live market. So I'll wait for a pullback if we can get one, and then I'll look to see if there's anything to the downside here. But as of right now, I'm really not liking what I'm seeing. No clean liquidity, no fair value gaps. Now we have an SMT, so now we can actually go ahead. This is looking clean. Okay. So now we have an SMT at London high. Do we have any tiny SMT here? We do. Oh, no, we don't. Wait, what am I talking about? What am I smoking today? Dude, I swear I just saw SMT. I swear there was an SMT right here. I'm not taking this. I don't think I'm trading. I'm not going to trade Monday, dude. I'm going insane. Yeah, London high is where I think we're gonna go. Called it. Okay, I'm moving to the next day because that just hurt my brain. Okay, so we just inversed this daily fair value gap. So honestly, we could be seeing bullish, taking up previous day high. We got PDL here, which I don't think we'll run down to, and then we have this daily inverse fair value gap. Very well could just be a weekly retracement. So we do have a weekly change of state and delivery here. We got to remember that. Come down to the 4 hour. Got a 4 hour fair value gap we've tapped into here. What day is this again? This will be Tuesday the 3rd. And we do have news, F1C, so Expect super slow, choppy, gross PA. And we have this buy side liquidity up here. Go down to a 1 hour time frame. London, Asia low will be London low. Then we got Asia low, which has been taken, and London high has been taken. We're accumulating. So I'd like to see a Judas swing, potentially low. Tap into this fair value gap, sweep out this low, give us even an SMT, which would be ideal, and then go higher. We do have SMT at London low, so, but I would like to see us go a little bit lower first. Very well could just react and skyrocket from here though. Okay. Coming to the 15, we have SMT here. I need to check what we're delivering from 4 hour fair value gap. We have nothing. I think the drawn liquidity is the buy side liquidity here. So we're delivering from a 4 hour. We don't really need to come lower. SMT at London low. I mean, I would like to see this low be taken before we take anything, but London low SMT, and that's delivering from there, so we don't need to take it. Come down to a 5 minute. So 5 minute time frame. Sweep that low out. Looking on the 5 minute. What are we in? 5 minute fair value gap. What else do we have here? I believe this is SMT here. So we have an internal SMT. Open up the 5 minute. We do have this 5 minute fair value gap. Fuck. Yeah. I'd like to see us come lower. Dude, did that just take that? I like the tiniest turtle soup of the century. It is. So now we have SMT. Boom. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna try this. I will. Okay, place order, save in journal, take a screenshot, and now I need to run through this. Okay, so we're delivering from a 4 hour fair value gap. Delivering from 4 hour fair value gap. To the hourly, we have London low liquidity sweep, or London low SMT, and then we go to the 15 minute. So we got that London low, SMT. And then traded back into a 5 minute fair value gap with SMT. Traded back into 5 minute fair value gap with 5 minute SMT. SMT. 1 minute came back. Very slight SMT. 1 minute Ifvg entry. 5 minute unfilled above. Confidence level, I'm gonna be honest, it's not super clean. I'm probably gonna put confidence in like the 60s. Go external SMT, we do. Internal SMT, we do. Higher time for PD array, we're delivering from a 4 hour. Have an unfilled 5. And Ifvg, let's check if we have any relative equal highs there. We do have equal highs here. We do, yeah, we have equal highs. So this is pretty clear. I would take this. Let's check it out and see how she goes. That's awesome. That's hilarious, actually. Let's see how she goes. Smack. Wow. Maybe I should have waited for news. Typically I would have, so. Typically I would have. But it's okay. At the buy side liquidity, it is. Okay, so accumulation, manipulation. See what we can get for the 4 hour. I mean, we have no liquidity, or we have no sweeps other than that. So, I mean, personally, I don't think anything's very valid right now. Unless we can continue going higher. Give us SMT. I don't think anything's really valid here. Data low is potential drawn liquidity, but I do think that higher time frame drawn liquidity is our DOL. Yeah, now we're just chopping. Alright, so one loss. I should have thought about the news, but that's totally okay. Well, not really, but goes to show. Okay. Go to the next day. Should be this. We do have news at 10, so we're gonna skip to news. Why is this chart smaller? Okay. Start on the daily. We got PDL here. And then we got PDH. No longer at all-time high, so everything's kind of in balance. We have inverse this daily fair value gap. No SMT at the low. Okay, coming down to here, we've inversed this 4 hour, so I'm a bit more bullish. Just because of that inverse fair value gap there. We literally don't have much here. Respecting this 4 hour OB. Respecting that 4 hour OB. Come down to the 1 hour. Got London low, and then we got Asia low all the way over here. And then I'm gonna mark out the areas here. Where's London low again? Is that guy this guy here? Okay, so we've taken London low on both, but I'd like to see almost more of a deeper retracement. I think we're in a market maker sell model here. It's a really clean market maker sell model. I think the draw on liquidity is lower. Lovely bubbly. Lovely bubbly. Down, bow, 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 bow. I feel like I'm going insane. As much as I want to be bullish, I want to be bearish. But as much as I want to be bearish, I want to be bullish. I can't figure it out. Daily's not telling me much. 4 hours not telling me much. Other than we're probably more bullish. But we have all of this. Look at all this liquidity. We have a previous day low, 4 hour order block, Asia low, 1 hour OTE, 1 hour fair value gap, 1 hour equilibrium. We may just want to reach for all-time high though, or PDH. It's accumulation manipulation. We just have no SMT for distribution here. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna give this a stab. Stop at this high. We took out liquidity here. We took out liquidity here, tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. We have an unfilled 5 below. We have an unfilled 15 below. I'm just gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna hurt. Worst comes to worst, I'm wrong. Stop is just gonna go right above the high there. 1 to 1, obviously. And then 1 to 2 down here. Place order. Save and journal. We have external liquidity sweep, internal SMT, small, very small, higher time for PD array, 15 minute. We have unfilleds below. And Ifvg. Do we have data low? Technically we do. Data low's right here. Technically we do if we, yeah. Technically. So we do have data low. So 15-minute lick sweep in a 15-minute fair value gap. Small internal SMT 15 and 5-minute unfilled fair value gap below. Gap 7 a.m. candle below. We haven't taken the 6:30, have we? Yeah, we have. Okay, so we've swept out the 6:30. Reacting off this 4-hour OB. No, we're not technically. We're in a daily fair value gap. No, we're not. I'm just gonna try this though, because I feel like I feel like we're in high enough premium right now. Okay, boom. TP one hit. Stop the break even. And boom. TP2 hit. Nice trade. Let's see if we left any on the table. Because like DOL would be all the way down to there. Would have been stopped at a break even. And then we just chop. Nice. Okay. Move on to the next day, which is Thursday. Which we got 6:30. We'll go to the daily time frame. I don't know, man. We're just chopping. It's so like unpredictable here what PA really wants to do. We got previous day high, and then down here we got PDL. Come down to a 4-hour time frame. We are disrespecting not much actually. We literally have nothing. It's kind of funny. 4-hour OTE. Drop down to a 1 hour. We got a lot of 1 hour unfilled above. Unfilled 1 hour. Unfilled 1 hour. Got this low right here. We've probably taken out London and Asia low, I'm gonna assume. Longs look really clean. Do we have any SMT? We do not. Oh, yes we do. Dang, those are almost like perfectly identical. I would like to see us trade to this. SMT this and then trade higher. Do have some accumulation here. I really hope we can trade lower. It really doesn't look like we're going to. I don't want to take shorts, but I might have to. We have a higher time frame SMT. We have clean equal lows below. We're tapping into an unfilled 1 hour fair value gap. We can get an SMT up here. I'll take a 1 minute short and then Bob's your uncle basically. A little SMT here. Oh shit, I didn't even see that. You could have taken this. Taking it right there. I'd like to see a clean SMT though. Look at how well that works. Stop would be there. Stop would be right at the high there. You would have stayed in. TP2 would have been smacked. I need to start taking these riskier trades, I think, then, during the back testing. I'm going to have to start taking them in order for me to make some money, I guess. Otherwise, I just won't take any trades. Okay, we're in a 5-minute OB. I still think that low is the... Oh, what the fuck just happened? If that does it again, I'm gonna be so sad. I'm gonna have to do this quickly. Staying alive. Take out the high, maybe? SMT at the high? Literally perfectly OTE here as well in this 15, which would be the hourly range. That's really nice. Into 1 hour. I'm going to look for a short here. See if I can get something. Okay. What do we got here? Not much. Nothing. 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 And more of nothing. Got this 5-minute. And we have an SMT up there. SMT here inside of a 1-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna have to put like a limit order or something. I'll just put an order here. SMT at the high there. And then TP1. I guess it would be here. I'm gonna try this though. Okay, so going over this idea, let's go to the 4-hour quick. Let's just start. So we're in a 4-hour fair value gap. Okay, we're in a 4-hour. Just swept out all this liquidity on the 15. As well, we have a massive SMT on the 15. So like just even looking at this liquidity here, 15 on the go to the hourly time frame, OTE of the range. One-hour OTE of the range. 15-minute, like I stated, we have that 15-minute SMT. And then I go down to the 5-minute. Let's say we have an unfilled 5-minute below. We just inversed a 5-minute with a change of state and delivery to the downside. With this change of state and delivery, this is really clean. Yeah, I'm gonna smack this regardless of what happens. I'm gonna take this. Okay, so we have 4-hour fair value gap, 15-minute SMT, 1-hour OTE, internal SMT 5-minute unfilled below 5-minute Ifvg entry. I think this looks really clean. I'm gonna give myself a 73 confidence. It says external SMT, internal SMT, higher time frame PD rate, unfilled fair value gaps. Ifvg. We have. Do we have any equal lows? Are these equal lows? What do you know? We got equal lows at the 15. We got equal lows. We got. Yeah. It's just low resistant liquidity conditions, but that's okay. Worst comes to worst, we lose the trade. And I'm going to snap a photo of this. And let's check it out. And yeah, we get cooked. Cooked. Absolutely cooked. Yeah, bias was wrong. Dang, dude. It's been slacking recently. Good trade, though. Good trade. Bias wrong. It's a really good trade. Bias was just off. So far, March has been not my best month. Save. Got 1 win, 2 losses. See if Friday can we can make back. See if we can make back what we lost. Last day of the week, we got Friday the 6th. And we got... Okay, we got 8 in it. We got some news. Take a look. 5:30. No. I think the times are off. I think this is the 5:30. I think the times are off. I think it's like the new... oh, what's it called? Daylight saving times. I think my times are off. If my times are off, then my trading's off. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so taking out previous day low, PDH is still intact. I don't really know what's going on, to be honest. I think we're still bearish. Daily time frame still bearish, or weekly, I guess. Yeah, it's still bearish. Probably. I don't even know. Maybe want to reach for weekly low, previous week low. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We got this 4-hour right here. Doubt we'll tap that. No SMT. Another 4-hour we're delivering from. I think we're bearish. This looks like a market maker sell model. We have change of state delivered to the downside. 4-hour OB. I doubt we'll reach up there. Go down to the hourly time frame. We got hourly fair value gap right here. Looks like we're slowly going to work our way up to there. Probably going to want to take out previous weekly low. Let's check out this. I'm assuming all the way up here is where London high, Asia high. Chances of us reaching Asia high only if we're bullish. I don't think we will. Go down to a 15. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution down to previous week low. That'd be clean. Nice SMT here. I have a feeling this is gonna go without us. There's just nothing really to work off of on that. I just want like a really clean SMT. None of this small town SMT stuff. Am I just getting bias wrong? We're in a 4-hour fair value gap, bro. Like, I don't understand. I actually like have no clue what to do. Usually I'm not like this, and I don't know. I literally cannot figure this out to save my life. Okay, now we're taking this high out on the S&P. I want to say shorts are the play, man. I don't think longs are. If that wasn't an SMT here, that would have been clean. Or if that was an SMT, that'd be clean. It is an SMT, and I didn't. Alright, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? If it was an SMT, it would have been so clean. Boom, enter on that. Little baby SMT there. There is an SMT here. It would have failed there. That's what I don't. That's why I'm backtesting this, right? That could have worked. If this was an SMT, I would have taken that in a heartbeat, but obviously it was not an SMT. Oh, these market conditions are smacking my face, but that's okay. 2 losses, 1 win. We are red for the week, but that's okay. We're still decently good. Haven't lost a lot. We literally just lost a little bit after taking 2 losses. Not a big deal at all. I'm not gonna complain. I'm curious if, because I have another session, I wonder if it screws with the analytics. Yeah, it does. Okay, let's go to sessions here. There we go. So our win rate has dropped to 73.91. Still very good. Currently up $6,774. Analytics won't show me. Let's go to delete. Analytics. Here we go. Okay, so 73.91% win rate. That drops significantly, but that's okay. We'll get that back up. I believe so. It's just a little bit more tougher. We are down for the week. We are for the month so far, so we're seeing our first red month. Not a big deal whatsoever. I mean, this is what the markets do. You have an absolutely killer month, a couple bad months, and then continue on. Still got 4 more years to go, 3 more years to go, so see how this works long term. But anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys would like to see in the near future other than backtesting and trade recaps. I'm going to be posting shorts as well, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. If you guys want to join the free Discord, link will be in the description. 100% free. If I get enough people in the Discord and active people, I will be live trading at some point. So if you guys want to join that, 100% free, click the link down below. And if you guys use FX Replay, use code DDFX for 15% off of your FX Replay subscription. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.